Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome po tayo sa final game for today between the new team, Qatar Airways Sky Team clad in blue versus, of course, the Hub or Hub Lounges po clad in white and pink combination. Okay. Bagong team din po ito. This is coming from the other half of the Mechanicals before. Nagbuo po sila. Headed by, of course, si Mr. Enteng and company po yan. Sa kapilalaman, of course, nandun lang po si Felipe. And along po, nandun po namin si Dimac, si Nitro, at of course, ang pinaka-leader po nila, si Perido and company po yan. Yan po ang The Hub. At wala na tayong AC ngayon. Hindi na tayo AC. Pag 9 o'clock po kasi, sir, wala na pong AC dito. Automatic. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa ating liga po ngayon. Welcome muli po sa final matchup na for the day between the Hub versus Sky Team. Qatar Airways Sky Team or QAST versus the Hub. Final ball game po will commence now in 3, 2, 1. And tomorrow po tayo, meron po tayong 2 ball games po muli tomorrow po tayo. That will be first game for tomorrow. And as ko po is Boleros versus QR Towers. And of course, final game po is Mechanicals versus another new team po. Yan po ang Oryx team. Okay. Felipe, there's a foul call by the referee. Ay, umiinit na. Okay, Felipe for the inbound. This shows with you Arvin G Vlogs. You're watching right now. Nakuha ng starting ang bola. Binato po. Intercepted by 22. That's Barucci. Foul called by number 3. Number 3 called foul called. Mukhang karilo niya ito ni Enteng. Balbasarado din. Baruch. Okay. Intercepted. Who's ball rep? Same ball, sabi ata. Same ball. White ball. White ball, last touch now. Back, blue po sa kulay. Blue po ang bola. Blue ball po tayo. Blue ball. Skyways. Sky Team rather. Nice one. And Royal. No good. Again, Baruch. Baruch 22. Up. Double dribble. Double dribble. At 8 minutes 28 remaining. Wala pa rin po tayong score. Op, malapad. Number 3. 3-second violation called on number 28. Balik muli po ang bola po sa The Hub. Number 0. Si Valdez. Binababa. Ayan, Nitro. Nip it. Walang bola. And that's Abergana. No good. And one play made. Lakanilag, number 15, 2 points. Plus bonus free throw kay Lakanilag. Trapal also is there. Abergana. And completing up for the Sky Team. Lakanilag shooting for the bonus free throw. Escat is watching. This is a battle of the new team between Sky Team clad in blue. Lakanilag kapos. Lakanilag again. Wala pa rin. 28 pops up. Wala. Royal shooting for 2. Royal shooting for 2, number 28, Royal. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Royol, second shot, pops up. Pasok. Valdez, binababa ang bola. Foul called. Inbounding again. Inbound, Valdez. Inbound, Valdez. And Mendoza. Mendoza, binababa ang bola. Mendoza, driving. Popping. No good. Rebound, Felipe. No. It's Mendoza. Mendoza, it's Valdez. Valdez, two shots. Foul called. Two shots on the chase against Mendoza. Foul number 25, called for the foul. First personal foul. Felipe for the inbound. Up. Whose ball, rep? Same ball. Okay, blue ball. Sabi ng referee, blue ball daw. Abergana, palpal sana, wala. Rebound, pops up, kapos. Rebound battle again. Nakakuha ni Valdez ang bola. Valdez against Abergana. Valdez. Nice one. Felipe. No good. Wala pa rin. Abergana. Pops up for three. No good. Mendoza naka-rebound. Lemoy Anacleto is watching also. Felipe. Barocci. No good. Felipe naka-rebound. Felipe. Foul call.
Third foul, number 3.
Number 3, third personal foul. Abergana. Felipe, number 8, shooting for 2. Felipe, first shot.
First foul, Felipe.
Kapos, wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. 5:59 remaining. Pops up, no good. Abergana. Trapal, kapos. Nipit. Pops up for 3, nipit, kapos. Valdez. Napon na Abergana bola. Abergana against Valdez. Abergana binababa. Again, Valdez again. Badgering and no good. Balik muli po sa tahap ang bola. 5 minutes 53 remaining sa ating first quarter action of the last game for today. Felipe, no good. Walang foul. Trapal. Royol. 2 points Royol. Score is Mendoza. Valdez. Barocci. Kapos.
Number 3.
Trapal again, 2 points. And change player po tayo. Okay, second 5 now para sa dahap po. Nandiyan po si Dimocolangan and company, si Dimac. Sa kabila naman, nandiyan si Game. Nandiyan si Real and company naman. Yambao, Akobit Garcia, and Hans also. Kabila naman si Perido, Dimocolangan, and company. Number 20. Pops up, kapos. Again, Yambao, out of bounds. Dimac and company. Yan po naman, The Hub. The Hub Lounge, Perido. Yung pinaka-point guard po nila, Perido. Perido. Dimac. Pops up for 3. No good. Malakas. Garcia, nagmamadali. Number 3 again, intercepted Perido. Nakaulusot. Perido. No, number 5, pops up. Malakas. Garcia kayo nakarebound. Perido for the interception. Out of bounds. Okay, balik tayo. Sky Team, ball. Ball for the Sky Team, ball in the blue. Sky Team. Yambao, pops up. No good. Rebound. Tapping battle, won by Diot. Number 1. Dukot, wala. Naku, napilitong bola. Depresyo is Yambao. Foul called. Until now, at 3 minutes 18 remaining, scoreless pa rin po ang The Hub. A relative low scoring ball game first quarter for both teams. Napansin po natin yan. Number 28, Betricio, shooting for 2, pops up. No good. Second throw, jumper ready po tayo. Betricio, jumper ready. Pops up. Okay, that's made. Basket made po tayo. Sige. Kasi hanggang bukas na. Oo, hanggang bukas na. Dahil sinab, magmamadali ka ito. Dahil pagdating, ako kasi tax lang natin. Saan po? Tulog. Okay, back to the ball game. Martin Evaristo pa yung FB page. Sige po. Okay, balik po tayo. Number 4. Perido for 3. No good. Perido up. Foul called. Perido called for the foul. 1-7 score po natin. 2 minutes 22 remaining. Diot, number 1, Sky Team. And Garcia pops up, no good. Rebound by D-Mac. D-Mac, nagmamadali. D-Mac. And one play, coast-to-coast play by D-Mac. KCG, coast to coast. D-Mac, 28, shooting for the bonus free throw. Bonus shot kay D-Mac. D-Mac pops up. It's in. Basket made. Oop. Tuhod. Sab muna. Okay, bangon. Tak si Garcia pa. Okay, may injury po sa Sky Team. Siguro na tapilok lang. Pagpag lang yan. Hindi. Tuhod yata. Okay, Garcia will be replaced now by Enteng. A minute 56 remaining. Enteng now takes charge now for the Sky Team. May tuhod yata eh. Enteng to Diot. To Enteng again. Enteng. Binababa ang bola. Enteng. Intercepted by Perido. Perido again to D-Max. Stripped away. Pero may foul. A minute and 37 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Final game. D-Mac shooting for 2. First shot ni D-Mac. First shot. D-Mac pops up. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready for D-Mac.
Second, 1 minute 37 seconds.
D-Mac, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. 5-7 ang score po natin yun. Nonong Rivera is watching also. Enteng, binababa na Enteng ang bola. Foul called.
Foul number 1.
Foul number 28. Enteng for the inbound. Enteng. 21 to Enteng again. Hands. Enteng. Kumat. Oh, traveling cold. Traveling cold. 5-7 pa rin po score po natin. Peredo, binababa ang bola. To D-Mac. Malakas. Real. Gokotano. And one play by number 1. Nice play by Diot. Ano yung gulang? Diot, number 1, bonus free throw coming up. Pops up, no good. Rebound, Mr. D-Mac. Intercepted. Diot again, dugot. Wala. D-Mac. D-Mac, Canete pops up. Bank shot, nope. It's number 5 for the putback. Enteng, nope. Pops up, nope. Rebound by Peredo again. Naku po! Good ball. Diot. 2 points Diot. Lumilipad. Okay, that's it. End of the first quarter action. Pambira para may flying tank ka. Okay, after first quarter action, the score is 7-11. Laman po ang Sky Team or Qatar Airways Sky Team in blue. The Blue Boys po by 4 points. Jonas Manapat is watching. Julius Babaga is watching also. Maraming salamat po. Please like, share, and subscribe po sa aking YouTube channel, RBG Vlogs. At the same time, pakishare din po itong channel po ito, Martin Liberoso Vlogs po, for all the basketball actions po na to be covered by yours truly. Okay. Julius Babag is watching. Manapat Jonas is also watching. Another 10 minutes now ahead. This time, Felipe and company with D-Mac. And of course, si Enteng naman po para po sa kabila naman with his own team, the Sky Team. Enteng, inbounding. Ayan na. Bryle. Enteng. Pops up. Short stop. Pasok ang bola. Enteng 2 points. San Miguel. Baruch. Pops up. Kapos. Enteng. Binababa ang bola. Enteng. Number 15. Pops up. No good. Enteng, power move, no good. Foul called. 22. Number 22 called for the foul. 22 first foul. Gokotano shooting for 2 sana. Hindi po pinigan. Okay, 21. Balik muli po tayo. Almost had it. Barochi. Dope. It's Barochi. 2 points. Same also other players also like the European players also. If you notice, or Lebanese players also, I think they have a background in called handball. A variation of basketball. Foul called. A variation of basketball po yung handball pero wala pang board yung court nila.
For
You know, so there's no dribble.
Philippines.
Royol, 28, shooting for 2. It's in. 28, first shot. Made. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Di makulangan. 9-13. Laman po ng 7. Ay ng 5. Ang team. Sky King. San Miguel. Lost the ball. And Royol. Foul call. No, it's traveling violation called. Traveling violation called on Royol. Number 55 for the inbound. The hub. Trailing behind still by 4 points. Dima. Pops up. Bang! Pull up jumper, it's good. Bryle. Number 19. Bryle, binato lang niya. Out of bounds. 7 minutes 51 remaining. Ha? Ano yun? Kamatis. Balik muli po tayo ang bola po ngayon. D-Mac, minamando ng kanyang team. The Hub. D-Mac. Nice foul by Enteng. Pero D-Mac will trip go to the line. D-Mac. Di makulangan 28 shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. Okay, chance not to tie the ball game. Di makulangan. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. D-Mac, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Okay. Deadlock. First deadlock of the game. At 7 minutes, 7:36 remaining. Second quarter action. Real. Binababa ang ball. So, that's Royol. Royol naman to. Royol for 3. Tapos. Pop. San Miguel. Binababa ang bola. Cal Kane. Tapos. Out of bounds. Balik ulit po sa blue ang bola. Seven minutes remaining. 13 all in score po natin. Gokotano or Enteng. Enteng. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Balik muli po sa half blound siyang bola. Balik muli po sa the hub. Baroch. Tama, parang handball nga. Enteng again. D-Mac. Wala. Enteng. Binababa ang bola. Enteng slicing. Ayun. Wala. Rebound by Royol. 2 points for Royol. Royol 2 points. D-Mac 28. Felipe. D-Mac, nakalusot. D-Mac. Wala. Nako, nakuha. 2 points D-Mac. Nice steal. Nice conversion by D-Mac. Tablado spiritan sa 15. Gokotano, Enteng, pops up. Wala. Rebound na by D-Mac. Baroch. Wala. Rebound battle. Naku, sayang. Enteng. Nakaribang si Enteng. Royol again. Royol. Binababa ang bola. Royol. Pops up. Pull up J. No good. Ito si D-Mac naman. D-Mac. KK. Good ball. Kickball naman ginawa. Change 5 po tayo. 15 all pa rin po ang score po natin. 5-8 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Inbound po ang team Sky Team. Blue team for the inbound. Malapad, 25. Inbound, dribbling the ball to number 3. Number 3 again. Number 3, foul.
Number 4.
Foul on number 4. Number 3, Abergana, shooting for 2.
30 foul.
Okay, 2 shots given to Abergana. Abregana, rather. Abregana, number 3. First shot. Kapos. Second throw, jumper shot. Second free throw, jumper shot po tayo para kay Abregana. Abregana, pops up. No good. And out of bounds, white ball. For sure. White ball po yan. Last touch blue. Valdez to Perido. Perido, pinababa ang bola. Perido. Naku ng pick. Pops up. Number 4. No good. Rebound battle by Malapad. Dobe si Perido again. Valdez. Pinabas mo ng bola. Nakuha. Abregana. 2 points. Magdodobel na siya. Perito. Mendoza. Lost the ball again. Lost the ball again. Traveling violation. Back to the ball game. 15-17 score. 3 minutes 52 remaining. 15-17 score. No good. Again, no good again. Nice. Hustle played by the blue shirts. Hop. 2 points. Naku, dilabas. Traveling violation. Timeout by the Hub. 3 minutes 27 remaining. 15-17 na score po natin. Teng tong teng 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 teng tong teng. 3 minutes 27 remaining. 15-17. Sky Team leading by 2 points. Bola po ng Sky Team. Abergana. Foul!
Foul number 3. Wala pa ba? Apat pa lang ba dito lang? Perito, second foul.
Trapal! No! Nice! Nice dish of pass. Tula kaninaw. Valdez! 2 points, Valdez. Aaron is Demis watching. Shoutout sa'yo, Aaron Demi. Nasaan ka? Ba't wala ka rito? Score boss, 17-19. Laman po ang blue.
14.
Pops up. Bang! Valdez, Perido. Foul called.
Number 6.
Aaron Demi, the score is 17-22. Laman po ng 5 ang team Sky Team. Yung Blue Boys po, laman po. Trailing bind po sa Perido po ng 5. O, sige. Perido. Traveling cold. Next game na lang ako, boss. Pagod din sa laro. Hehehe. Okay. Sige na problema, boss. Ingat ka lang dyan. Shoutout sa'yo. Ngayon, balik muna tayo. Abegana. Kalinaw, no good. And white ball. The referee says it's white ball. Perito. Malilig siya. Naku, sayang. Out of bounds. Okay, balik ulit tayo. Bergana, yung binababa ang bola.
15 seconds. Number 3.
Pops up again, 3 points, no good. Rebound. Again, same ball. Nakalilaw.
And to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Number 3. Bilis na, grabe.
45 seconds.
2 points. Number 3. Perito. Foul.
29 seconds.
29 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action.
Number 10 seconds. Second foul. Second team foul.
Sky team slowly but surely pulling away already in the ball game and trying to break the game wide open over the hub. Perito. Perito.
And to shoot.
Perito. No good. Perito again. Foul. Penalty situation, team the hub.
Nasser's first ball. 9 seconds.
Lacanilao shooting for 2. 9 seconds remaining. Pops up. Wala. Second throw. Second throw remaining. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. It's in. Basket made.
9 seconds.
Valdez. 2 points, Valdez.
5 seconds.
Okay, that's it. Okay, after 2 quarters naman po ng 6 ang Team Sky Team. The Blue Boys have it. 19-25. Standby po tayo po sa ating third quarter action. Okay, you're watching right now the Hub versus Qatar Airways Sky Team. And of course, tomorrow po, inibitan ko bukas, Boleros versus QR Towers. And of course, nandiyan po ang Mechanicals versus, of course, ang Orex basketball team. Halftime po tayo.
Blue ball. Wait.
White ball daw, sabi. Okay, Perito for the inbound. Mga lumulobo, pre. Okay, Perito, inbounding. Perito. Limak. 28. Royol, wala. Rebound, D-Mac. Perido. RJ Masbang is watching. Felipe, 2 points. Sinupong bola.
25-21.
Priol. Diot. Sneakers ba yun? Ay, hindi. Wala si Nicholas Tulyaw. Wala si Nichols. Riol, 28. Yambao, 20. Yambao! Op! Double dribble, sabi ng referee. Double dribble. Double dribble po, sabi ng referee po. Perido. Pass break. Idiot. Idiot, palpal. Nice. Nice hustle by Nipit. Lost the ball. Dumulas. Perito. Perito, binababa ang bola. Ayun nga lang, mababang pasa. Mababang pasa. Braille. Royol. Pops up. No good. Nipit. Hop!
Bilis.
Okay, ikot daw. Sabi nyo, ikot daw. D-Mac. D-Mac. Pops up. Substitution made now. Okay, number 3 in to 14. Number 15 in for number 20. Walang pilasan. Felipe, balakas. Sayang. And number 3. Foul number 28. D-Mac called for a foul. Abegrana, number 3, shooting for 2. Abegrana, number 3, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. It's pasok. It's patok. Second throw by Abegrana. Abegrana, second free throw. Pasok pareho. 6:59 remaining. 21-27. Felipe. D-Mac. Uy! 2 points, D-Mac. D-Mac, 2 points. 22-27. Apat lang yan. 6:45 remaining. Diot. Diot. No, Liloxin move. Again, steal completed. Malakas. Braille. Lakalilaw. No good. Rebound by D-Mac. 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 And one play. Sana walang foul. D-Mac again. Pops up. No good. Ito na. Mendoza. Mendoza. D-Mac again. D-Mac. Pinubot ng team. Pops up. Pull up J. 2 points. Okay. Back to back. Field goals by D-Mac. Braille. Hop! Si Daisy. Nakuha ni Felipe. Again. Mendoza. D-Mac na naman! Foul, Abrigana.
Fourth foul, number 3.
Abrigana, 4 personal foul, warning for graduate. And timeout called by the Sky Team.
Foul, number 3.
Abrigana, 4 personal foul, warning for graduate. 5 minutes 42 remaining, third quarter action, 27-29. Very low scoring ball game po tayo ngayon. Matindi bantayan ng both teams. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon.
2 shots.
D-Mac called for 2 shots. 2 shots for Mr. D-Mac. D-Mac, first shot.
2.8 by Sky Team.
It's out. Second shot, Champion ready. Second try ni D-Mac, jumper ready. Pops up. It's in. Isa, 1 point lead. 1 point lead.
Nakanilaw.
15, Lacanilao. To Riol, number 28. Riol. Foul on Nipit, number 8. Stonewall Nipit.
2 shots on the
2 shots para kay Riol, 28. First, no good. Second shot, Riol, 28. Pops up. It's in. Okay, dalawa muli ang kalamangan ng team Sky Team. Felipe. Perito. Ari Silas watching. Shout out. Perito. Mendoza, pops up, bank shot, no good. Rebound by Enteng. Up. Okay na muna. They will usap-usap. May forearm kasi. May forearm kasi in-extend si Penteng kanina. Okay. Oh, here's the verdict. Felipe called for the foul.
And fourth foul, number 42.
Enteng. Anspo called for the foul. Felipe, second personal foul.
First foul.
Enteng, first personal foul. Felipe shooting for 2. Anspo shots by Felipe.
2 shots of Felipe plus ball position.
Yun lang. Second shot, jumper set. Second shot plus ball possession. Second free throw plus ball possession on Felipe. Uy! Napaganda pa. One more shot.
Substitution. Number 42. 2 minutes rest. For unsportsmanlike.
Okay, labas muna si Enteng dahil sa ANS pa pala tinamo niya. Last ball possession. Dimac. Perido for 3. Nope. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Okay, Royol. Inbounding to Mr. number 20. That's Yambao. Diot. Intercepted. Now counter deception. Okay, Piligo. Pinato na. Naku, sayang. Felipe called for a foul.
Felipe, third foul.
Third personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. The Hub. 4 minutes remaining, third quarter action. Sir Aris is watching. Sir Owens is also watching. Yambao. Lacaninaw. Jot. Royol. Jot. 3-second violation. 3:31 remaining. 28-30. Napakod na naman tayo sa score. Matindi bantayan kasi ng both teams. Dimac. Nako ng pick. Foul. Illegal pick. Mendoza, illegal pick. Okay, Sabdol, Lacaninaw. Good minutes po para kay Lacaninaw. Papalit sa kanya si number 19, si Pryle. Real. 3 points made. 2:50 remaining. Perido. Najib. Dimac.
7 seconds to shoot.
7 seconds to shoot. Three points, Mendoza. Mendoza, 3 points. Jot. Nawala ang bola. Nawala ang bola rin. Brian. Nawala ang bola. Foul called. Sundot. Nanunundot. Sundot. Hatid. Sundot.
Nasir, second foul.
Nasir, second foul. Penalty situation. Team Hub. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. Jumper Sherry. Sub made now. Mendoza out. No, it's Dimac out. Number 14. That's it.
3-point lead.
Mendoza. Binababa ang bola. Perido. Perido, mataas ang pasa. Najib. Foul.
Foul number 21.
Foul on number 41.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Nasir, number 5, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumper Shedi. Second shot by Nasir. Both basket never made. Break. Royol. Nice! D by Nasir. Timeout, Sky High. Both teams called for penalty. 1 minute 30 remaining, third quarter action. The score is 32-34. Lamang pa rin po ang Sky team ng dalawa. A minute to 30 remaining po. Back to the ball game. Ang liligo. White ball. The hub. Bola ng hub. Perito. Help ball situation. Okay. Sky team. Bonus Sky team. White ball, sorry. White ball pala. White ball. White ball. Nasir, it's nakpo sayang. White ball. 1 minute 4 remaining.
7 seconds.
D-Mac.
5 to go.
Perito, malakas.
45 seconds.
Kenteng. Pops up. Whoop. 2 points.
5 seconds.
Foul. Foul called. Number po. Penalty both teams. 25, I think so. Malapad. Called for a foul. 29 seconds remaining. Perido, take 2. 2 shots for Perido. 2 shots Perido. Pops up. It's it. Second shot. Jumper ready. Second free throw, Perido. Jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. Both basket made. 2.8 na po kalamangan. 29 seconds remaining. Again, si Enteng. Binababa bola. 20 seconds. Bride. Floater shot. No good. Rebound by D-Mac. Chance to tie the ball game. D-Mac. Nakalusot. 2 points D-Mac. Line violation. Stepping violation. Ouch.
5 seconds.
5 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot.
Deadlock po tayo,
Deadlock po tayo. Deadlock. Hop. Lost the ball. Same ball.
3 seconds.
3 seconds remaining. ball. Okay, after 3 quarters, the score is 36 all. And standby po tayo po sa 4th and final quarter. Okay, this HA Aviation Friendly Dabas sa Flying League would like to thank the following sponsors. Una po ang Team LBC, Hari ng Padala and Thread the Needles. Of course, hapon natin po SBB Doha. And of course, yan po ang PSBQ Basketball League. And you're watching right now the Hub and the QR Sky Team. And tomorrow po, basketball action muli po rin po tayo. Boleros versus QR Towers. And of course, Mechanicos and Oryx Basketball. Para po bukas yan. Maraming salamat po. Pero meantime, manood muna po tayo ng The Hub and Qatar Airways Sky Team. Back to the ball game.
Blue.
Blue ball po tayo. Blue ball, blue ball. Blue ball. Okay, blue ball po tayo. Trapal now to Enteng. Enteng, binababa ang bola. Enteng. Maganda bantayan. Royal! Tup! Nako, hindi. And good ball. Dimac. Nipit. Valdez. Nipit. KK. No good. $15. Nice D. Foul call. Abregana called for a foul. Abregana, number 3, 5 fouls, graduate. Balik po tayo, Valdez for the inbound. Hop. Game. Valdez, inbounding. Dimac. Dimac. Dimac, pull up J, no good. Royol. Royol, binababa ang bola. Hoy! Backing violation. Backing violation called on Enteng. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Valdez. Dimac. Kumukuha ng pick. Ayaw niya. Dimac. Nakuha ng pick Enteng. Kinipit. Up! Out of bounds. Same ball, sabi ng referee. Okay, change call po tayo. It's blue ball. O, substitution muna po tayo. $8:24 remaining. Enteng. Pinasa Enteng muli. Enteng. Nice D.
16 seconds pa, 16 seconds.
Hop.
14 seconds shot lang. 14.
Nice interception. Dimac, binababa ang bola. Dimac. Dimac. Toss the ball. White ball. Last touch on Yambao. Tumama doon sa paado kasi. Okay, Enteng na. Binabantayan si Dimac. Pops up. No good. Ayun, Felipe. Foul called. Now chance na to get the lead.
Royals first foul.
Felipe Jeff Noshal is watching. Felipe, first shot. Pasok. Kapos. Second shot. Yun, nakapit kasi ako eh. Second throw.
From Felipe. 7 minutes start.
Felipe, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle won by Felipe. Felipe, foul again.
Foul number 42. Second foul.
Felipe. Take two again si Felipe. 7-8 remaining. Pops up. It's in. Yo. Nori. Not yet. Last throw, Felipe. Pops up. Basket made. Lead. Lead taken out by the hub. Change favor. Enteng, binababa ang bola. Nice D by D-Mac. D-Mac, binababa D-Mac. D-Mac, 2 points. 6:44 remaining. Foul! Foul number 0, Valdez. Lucky now for the inbound to Yambao. Yambao, palpal. Six minutes 30 remaining. Naku, wala. Empirido, easy to. Naku, mali. Uy. Okay, meeting muli yan. Meeting. Okay. Pushing foul called. Okay, pushing foul. Muntik lang. Muntik lang, muntik lang. Again, Valdez. Enteng, binapati ni Valdez. Jolens, wala. Same ball. Okay, substitution muna. Real in para kay number 20. Lost the ball. Riol pops up. Pull up J. Wala. Rebound battle won by D-Mac. Di makulangan. Against Enteng. Nakalusot. D-Mac. Swiped away. Nice one. Nice D by Enteng. Veterano ginawa ni Enteng. 5 minutes 30 remaining. Hoy! Palpal! Op! Offensive foul call. Number 20 called for the offensive foul. And timeout call for sure sa Sky Team. Sky Team nag-timeout po. Sir, kita. Ito. Okay, balik din po tayo. Also, Dabo also called for the timeout. I think they want to breathe some air. Kailangan huminga muna nila dahil pasyadong maigpit kasi laban. Okay, basket muli po tayo. Okay, basket muli po tayo ngayon. Valdez for the inbound. Now to the half, now to Kiperido. 5:18 remaining. 39-30. Si RLT low scoring ball game po tayo. Perido for 3. Yes, sirree! Perido, 3 points. Diat. Diot, nakalusot. Royol. 2 points for Royol. Perido. Good ball, good ball. Sabi ng referee, walang tawag. Hop, 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 hop. Good ball. Felipe. Perido again. Felipe, rap play. Felipe, 2 points, Felipe. Four minutes, 23 remaining. Diot. Diot thinking to drive the ball. Pops up, no good. Uy! Enteng, no good. Rebound by Dimac. Now kay Perido. Perido, binabantayan. Valdez. Perido. Pull up J. Pops up. 2 points. Awa. 2 points, Perido. Enteng. Enteng. Foul.
Foul number 3, 34. Perido, fourth foul.
Perido, fourth personal foul on Perido also. Warning for graduate, 3:33 remaining. Pops up. No good. Enteng. Enteng. Uy! 2 points, Enteng. Ginamitan lang veterano move. Foul on Real.
Warning for penalty number of
Sky Team, 14 fouls, warning for penalty. Di makulangan for the inbound. .316 remaining. Dimac. Perido. Nipit. Power move. Wala. Traveling violation called on Nipit. 46-40. This is still an alternative basketball. And timeout called by... Sino timeout? Who's timeout? Grabe. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 2:56 remaining, 46-14 score. This is a relatively low scoring ball game. Dahil si matindi pang bantay pa ng both teams. Both teams matindi pa bantayan sa isa't isa. Ayaw magpakawala ang isa't isa din also. Enteng, pinababa ang bola. Enteng. Enteng, thinking 3, ayaw. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by Dimac. Dimac, 2:44 remaining. Perido will start making the clock. Ubus oras na rin, sabi nila. Perido. Perido. Felipe. Mendoza pops up. Pitik. Foul. Foul on 28, penalty situation. Team Sky Team, penalty situation. Nasir shooting for 2. It's out.
2 minutes 24.
Second shot. Nasir, second throw. 46-40. Enteng. Bumababa na. Out of bounds. Real. Babato na yan. Riol. Against Perito. Riol. Pops up. Pull up J. No good. Enteng. Power up. Foul called. Foul number 28 called for the foul.
Akop shooting in to shoot.
Enteng shooting for two. Both teams penalty. 2 minutes 8 remaining. Pops up Enteng. No good. Second throw. Jumper ready. Enteng second throw. Jumper ready. Pops up. It's inside. 5. Kalamangan. Perito. Hop. Felipe.
Last 2 minutes.
Perito. D-Mac. D-Mac. Thinking 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Nasir. Slap away. Mendoza. Enteng. Nakuha. Foul call. Anspo. Anspo called on D-Mac. Dalawa yan. Plus ball possession. Dalawa yan. Plus ball possession. May current na nga. Pops up. Ente. No good. First shot. 1 minute 43 remaining.
Plus ball possession.
Second shot, N10, plus ball possession. Pops up. Boy, basket made. 4. Plus ball possession. D-Mac, labas muna siya for good na yan. Nag-ants po siya kasi. Hindi rin siya makakabalik for sure.
1 minute 43.
1 minute 43. Enteng, Riol. Double teamed. Riol, pops up. 2 points for Riol. 46-44, dalawa. Perito, nope, it's Mendoza. Nipit, Perito. No good. Enteng naka-rebound. Enteng, palpal, foul! Foul naman yung ginawa ni Perito. Okay, Enteng shooting for 2. 1 minute 16 remaining. Bimakulang at sitting out already out of a Anspo foul.
1 point lead sa dalawa.
1 point lead. Enteng, one more shot to be made to tie the ball game. Both teams 1 timeout apiece. 1 timeout each na po ang both teams po natin. Enteng, second shot. Pops up. It's out. 2 points na kalinaw. Perito.
1 minute.
Perito. Foul. Take 2.
Substitution. Number 28, fourth foul.
Number 28, Royal for personal foul. Wild Wing warning for graduate. And Pirido shooting for 2. 50 seconds remaining. Pirido, first shot. It's in. Tabla.
All 57 seconds.
Oh, tama.
Sige, ilabas mo na number 28. Di ba pwede?
Di Mac, di talaga pwede. 2 minutes yan eh. Less than 2 minutes yan na-commit.
Wala. Kasi hindi namin na number boys. Labas mo na number 28.
Okay, medyo ano lang po. Okay, both teams muna. Okay, balik tayo. Inano muna, may bine-verify lang po kasi. Si Dima kasi pumasok siya, pero Ans po kasi ang foul sa kanya. Dapat he'll sit this one for the rest of the game. Less than 2 minutes na lang kasi yun. Okay. Both teams po, better on the bench muna po. Yung coach lang po ang pumunta muna po sa committee table. Maraming salamat po. Okay, medyo may dinidiscuss lang sila. Okay, 47 all, 57 seconds remaining. Okay, here's the verdict. One more shot to be given to Mr. Pirido. Di Makulangan for sure will now sit this one out for the rest of the ball game unless kung magkakaroon pa ng overtime. Pirido, last shot. Last shot para kay Pirido.
seconds.
Basket made. Lamang na isa. Timeout na called by Sky Team. Sky Team called for the timeout. Sancho Matias Sanders watching. Maraming salamat po. Magandang laro po ito. The Hub and Sky Team. Bagong team po ito ng Aviation Friendly League.
Yung Hub isa pa.
May isa pang time up on The Hub. Enteng will go for the inbound. 14 seconds shot clock. Inbound for Enteng. Enteng, 14 seconds shot clock inbound.
57 seconds. 14
Okay.
seconds.
Laki nilaw. Diot. Laki nilaw. Diot. Lost the ball. Traveling variation called. Balik muli po. Balik muli po.
14 seconds.
14 seconds again. 46 seconds remaining. Diot. Inbounding. Laki nilaw. Mendoza. Royol. Royol. Walang foul. Royol for 3. Wala! Bola, bola. Papilipit, papilipit. 36 seconds remaining. Bola ngayon ng The Hub. Okay, Mendoza. Inbounding. Mendoza. Full court press to be made now by the Sky Team. Good ball. Nipit. Oy! Enteng. Masakit.
Number 28. Fourth foul on number 28.
Number 28. Both teams penalty. Enteng shooting for 2. Enteng. First shot. It's in. Tabla. Second shot, jumpers ready. Both basket made. Last time out called by The Hub. Both teams, wala na pong timeout. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Final 19 seconds coming up. Laman po ang Sky Team ng isa, 48-49. 19 seconds remaining. Okay, Perido. Last play to be called by Perido. Perido. Mendoza. Perido again. Perido. Perido. Pop sa Perido. Kapos. 10 seconds. Perido. Power move. Wala. Mendoza. One more time. Pagpag. No more. Okay, that's it for the ball game. You witness now the final game for the day. Congratulations po sa team, Sky Team, for winning its first game also against the Hub. And we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po ang Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, Thread the Needles, and of course, this game also powered by SBB Pilipinas and PSB Basketball League. And you watch now the Hub and Qatar Airways Sky. And also tomorrow po, inibitan po namin po kayo bukas po. Two games muli po tayo from Boleros and QR Towers. And of course, nandiyan po ang Mechanicals and yan po ang Oryx Basketball. Muli po, maraming salamat po. And you witness now the game between the Hub and the Sky Team.